Good morning, students. Welcome back to our grammar session. In this video, we are going to see writing skill. As I already told you, there are different types of writing skill such as essay writing, letter writing, dialogue writing, summary writing, report writing, etc. In our previous video, we have already seen essay writing and letter writing. In this video, I am going to tell you how to form a dialogue writing. Before we begin with the dialogue writing, let me tell you what is dialogue writing. Dialogue writing is a conversation between two people about any topic. The main purpose of writing dialogue is to make students able to complete any conversation with grammatical correctness and draw a meaningful conversation. Let's see a few rules, tricks and tips to write dialogue. Dialogue should have a proper beginning. A dialogue should begin with a proper salutation according to the context of the conversation. It can either be formal or informal. Second, dialogue should be written in simple language. Instead of using bombastic and difficult language, dialogue should focus on simple and lifelike language. For example, I was aghast. Who says that? We never say that in our day-to-day life, right? Instead of that, we say, I was terrified. I was frightened. So try to keep your language as simple as possible. Third one, try to include some humorous sentence in the dialogue. It will help to increase the naturality of the conversation, especially if the context of the dialogue is a friendly one. To make it sound a little friendly, you may include humor in case if it is required. Do not force humor. That is not acceptable. Fourth one, contraction. Instead of using the expanded version of verbs, dialogue should use contraction of verbs. This is a very important tip. Instead of using I am, you can use I apostrophe am. Was not, wasn't, could not, couldn't. Fifth one, each speaker gets a new paragraph. Every time someone speaks, you show this by creating a new paragraph. Yes, even if your character are only saying one word, they get new paragraph. Sixth one, punctuation. A good dialogue must be well punctuated. Sometimes punctuation conveys ideas more than words do. Appropriate use of commas, question mark, exclamation marks, full stop, etc. are mandatory for a good dialogue. Seventh one, proper ending. The dialogue should not end abruptly. There should be proper sign off. For example, Swati, I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Lakshmi, okay, bye, see you tomorrow. This is a proper ending. You have to end it properly. Now, let's construct a conversation between two friends. Here is our topic. Write a dialogue between two friends about how they like to spend their time. So, this is just a guide to show you how you can build up your dialogue and to make you understand how is it different from other writing skill. Remember that they both are friends, so their conversation should be very casual. Moving on to dialogue. Elisa, hello Ria, how are you? Ria, I am fine. What about you? See here, it's very important. Please see to it Very carefully, you have to end the conversation in such a manner so that the other person can continue from where you have left. Elisa, I'm also fine as our exams are over. Have you thought how you're going to spend your spare time? Ria, as you know, I love and enjoy cooking. I was thinking to join cooking class. Elisa, good idea. So I will get to taste various dishes whenever I will visit your place. Ria, yes of course. But what is your plan? Elisa, my plan is little different from you. As you know, I am quite weak in English. Ria, yes I know, but what about that? Elisa, so I want to develop my English skill during this time by joining the English classes. Ria, that's a very good idea. I wish you good luck for that. Elisa, yes, thank you. I also appreciate your excellent idea. Ria, thank you. Goodbye for now. Elisa, okay, bye. See you tomorrow. Ria, bye. Have a good day. So this is how you're ending with the proper bye-bye. So this is a dialogue that I have come up with, but you can come up with a better one. But for this you need practice. Let's have one homework. Write a dialogue between two friends who met in a shopping mall. If you'll practice, definitely you will come up with even more points and efficient dialogue writing. I hope you understood this. Yes? Yes, wow, great. So, hope to see you soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe.